Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is HOSTCREED. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a crypto investment website using the Investor PHP advanced script. So you can see the front end of this script right here. You can see the front end. You can as well check out all the other pages they have here. But I'm going to teach you how to install this script starting from scratch. So you can see this script right here. I have it in my domain, and I have it here as a subdomain from my website. You can see my website domain name /investom. You can see that the website is inside the Investom folder right here. So right now I'm going to install this script starting from scratch. So I'm already on my cPanel right here, as you can see. So if you don't know how you can get a cPanel, I will leave a link below to get domain name and hosting from Namecheap in the description of this video. So follow that link and then you can get a domain and hosting from Namecheap, or you can as well get it from any other company that you wish to. So after purchasing domain and hosting, you'll be provided with cPanel login. Now, if you're provided with cPanel login and also the cPanel link, just go ahead and log into your cPanel, and then if you're in the same window with me, you can now continue this video. So guys, before I continue into showing you how to install this video, I would like to leave a disclaimer. This video is only for educational purposes. Should you use knowledge gotten from this video for harmful or illegal purposes, you will bear full responsibility for your action. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question in between this video, leave it for me in the comment section below. And finally, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So with no further ado, let's get started into this video. Now I'm already on my cPanel, as you can see right here. So I'm going to go over to my file manager right here, click on file manager and open file manager. So we are going to go ahead to install this script in a new folder. So I'll just go ahead to close this tab for now, and you can see the folder. Okay, let me go straight to my public_HTML right here, and I'm going to install this file on a subfolder. As you can see, here is the previous one I showed you on, which I just closed the tab. So I'm going to create a folder right now. So click on, while I'm on my public_HTML, I'm going to create a folder. But if you are to install this script on a fresh web hosting account, you are to install the script directly to your public_HTML. So while you are here at the public_HTML, just click on folder, so while you are here on your public_HTML, just click on upload and go ahead to upload the script directly to the public_HTML. But in my case, I already have websites that exist on my domain name on the root of my website. So right now I'm going to create a folder and install the script inside the folder. So I'll hit create the folder right here, and I'll name it INV, standing for investment or Investom, whatever. So I'll just type INV and click create folder. Now I've created the INV folder, as you can see right here. I'll just move into the INV folder and then click on upload. Now when I click on upload, I need to select the particular zip file that contains the script files and folders also. So I'll just click select file right here, and then I'm going to select the particular script that I'm talking about right here. So let me just locate. You can see the script BTC invest. I'll just click on the script and then click open. So as you can see guys, the script is now uploading. You can see that, and it's very fast. Actually, my connection is kind of fast right now. So you can see it's 100% already, and you have to wait for this bar to turn green in as much as it's gotten to 100, you have to wait for it to turn green. So I'm just waiting for it to process and turn green. So let's see, guys. Okay, so guys, as you can see, the bar has turned green, so it's time for me to click go back. So when I click go back, it's gonna take me back to my file manager, and you can see the uploaded script right here. So what I'm going to do is to right click on this script and select extract. So I'm gonna extract the script inside the inv folder. I'm gonna click extract right here, and let's see. Okay, it's done extracting. I'm gonna click on close, and then I will just reload this file manager part, and you can see the extracted file right here. So I'm gonna right click on these. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this permanently. It's not useful anymore. So I'm going to open the extracted folder, and then I'm going to move all these files and folders back one level to the inv folder. So to do that, I'm going to click select all to automatically select the whole files and folders right here, and click on move. So I'm going to remove the BTC invest. So I am going to move this stuff directly into the inv folder and click on move files. So when I click on move files, you can see the BTC invest folder is now empty. So I'm going to click up one level right here, and then you can see that. So I can go ahead to delete this folder because it's now empty. I'll delete that permanently. Okay, guys, so these other two files right here, these other two files, this is the installation guide, and then this is also the purchase code. So guys, I'm going to be leaving this installation guide in the file. So if you buy this script, you're going to see the installation guide also. So if you don't want to watch the video, you can read the installation guide, and then you can know what to do and how to install the script. So moving forward, you can see also the purchase code right here. So if you want to activate this script, you're going to need the purchase code, which you are going to find inside this text file, purchasecode.txt. Okay guys, with that done, what we are going to do right now is to open a new tab. Once we open a new tab, we're going to visit our website. Let me just visit the website /inv/public. So guys, you visit your URL /public. In my case, my URL, my full URL is my website name.com/inv, but in your case, you're not going to have /inv. So you just keep this part right here and just type in /public. So if I hit enter right here, the installation is going to start. Okay, you can see that the installation have started, guys. You can see the Laravel installer right here. So the next thing to do is click check requirement. Okay guys, so you can see the check right here. So the required PHP version is PHP version 7.3 or higher, and you can see I currently have PHP version 7.4 right here. So all the conditions right here are okay. Now just click on check permission. Okay, right here now you can see all the file permissions. You can see them right here, and all of them are failing at the moment. So what we have to do is to go over to the storage /app/public folder and give it the permission of 775. You can see that. So let's go ahead and fix these, guys. Now I'll go over to this file manager right here, and I'll go to the core inv app. Okay, just open that folder, whatever it's called, I don't know. Now we are going to go to the storage folder. From the storage folder, head to the app folder, from there to the public folder, and give it the permission of 775. Okay, so let's go over to the storage folder right here. From the storage folder, go to the app folder. From the app folder, you can see the public folder right here. So for you to give it a permission of 775, you can see right now it's currently 755. So you just right click on it and then select change permissions, and then from here you can check this and you can see now is now currently 775. So click change permission and repeat that for the rest of the files right here. You can see if I reload this page right now, it will show me, you can see that this has passed the test. So I'll just go ahead and then grant all these permissions and I'll get back to you. Okay, you can see all of them has been completed. Now just click on configure environment. Okay, from this window just move down and click false. Alright, if you have SSL available in your server, just leave it at true, but if you don't have SSL activated, just leave it at false right here. So for me, I have an active SSL, so I'm just going to leave it at true. Sorry about that. So click on setup database, and right now I don't have any database set up, so I'm going to go back to my cPanel and then to set up a database and a database user and grant privileges, and then I'll get back to the installation. So go over to the databases section of your cPanel homepage and go to MySQL database wizard right here. So I'm just going to quickly create a database. I'll name it INV. Next step, okay, I'd like to name the user INV as well, and then I'll put in a password for that. Alright, click on create user. I'm gonna cancel that. Okay, now click on all privileges. Just click the all privileges to mark the whole options right here and click make changes. Now I'm going to copy this database name, one of these, copy that and go back to the installation. Now the database connection is obviously MySQL, and then the database hosts, I'm just going to enter localhost right here, localhost, and then the port is 3306, fine. Then the database name, I'm going to paste in my database name, and the database user, I'm going to paste it in also, and the database password, put in the password. Now click on install. Okay guys, the installation is done guys. You can see application has been successfully installed. So just scroll to the end and click complete installation. Alright, now in this window we have to activate the installation using the purchase code right here. Where is it again? Let's go to the root of the website. Okay, you can see the purchase code right here. I'm gonna open that, right click and select view. Let's see the, okay, you can see the purchase code right here. I'm going to copy this, go back to the activation window. You can see the Envato username. You can actually add any username right here. I'm going to add INV or whatever you, okay, now add your email address. I'm just going to add my email address, and here is the purchase code. Paste it right here and you're going to click submit. You're going to click submit. Okay, thanks. Alright, okay guys, now we have to create an admin. So the application has been successfully activated using the purchase code right here. So the next step is to create an admin account. So I'm just going to add an admin account and I'll call it super admin or whatever you want to name your admin, and I'm going to create a password. Okay, click on create account, and then you have to log in. Alright, we have successfully logged into the super admin account, and then we have to set up the website information. Now you set up the website name, BTC investment. Okay. Now set up the site email address. So for you to create an email address, go back to your cPanel. Let me go back to my cPanel and go back to the email addresses, email account right here. Click on email account. Okay. Now you are required to create an email address so you can use it for your website. So I'm just going to use one of these email addresses right here. Okay. I will use this. Alright, click on updates and next. So this platform is actually advanced, so you have to dynamically set up everything. It's not like you are looking at codes and all that. So if you don't know how to code, you can actually install this with ease. Just follow steps after the other, one step after the other, and you end up installing the script successfully. So next one is the email notification. So you have to set up the email notification with your email address that you created right here. You have to set up the SMTP settings and all that. So enter the email recipient. Okay. So you have to choose SMTP right here, or maybe you are sending with the normal traditional PHP mailer right here. So I would like the SMTP, so I just click on SMTP. And for the host, so I'm going to look at my email details right here. So if you go to your email account, scroll to the email that you need, and then from there you can click connect devices. You can see that right here. So I used this one, so I'm going to click on connect devices. So let me see the information about the email address. So you can see the outgoing server right here. The outgoing server is this, and the port is 465, and the username is this. So I'm just going to copy the username, come here, and I'm going to paste the username right here, and the password. I'm going to input the password. Okay. Now from email from name, email from your website name, BTC investment, or whatever the name of your website is. So from email address, I'm going to paste the exact email address, and the secure protocol, I will use the TLS. You can see from here, you can see that it's SSL or TLS, so I'm good with TLS. So from here, you are going to enter your SMTP host, which is the outgoing server. From here, copy that and paste. Okay. Now the SMTP port, you are going to have to edit this to 465. Okay. All right. Now all the email notifications will be sent to, I'm just going to, put the email address I have right here. You can put any other email anyway. Put it here, and that's all you have to do in this window. Just click update and next. You can see email settings successful. All right. So if you have to send a test mail, you can do that. You can click on send test mail, and then you can test out the mail. But for now, I'm going to click on skip and next because of our time. All right, from here, this is the system currencies. You can choose any other currency of your choice. If you don't like the USD, and the USD is the default currency, but if you don't like that, you can choose from the dialog box right here, or another secondary currency actually. So most times you choose USD as the primary or the base currency, and then your local currency as the secondary currency or whatever. The choice is actually yours. So you can actually add more currencies from here. Just add the currency initial. So click on next. Yes, I'll click on update and next. Okay, now payment settings. You can set up all of these things based on your preference. You can the minimum deposit amount, I'll say maybe $100. Crypto, the equivalence in crypto, I don't know, you have to check that and decide on what you want to do with it. The maximum deposit, it all depends on your choice. Okay, the minimum withdrawal, it depends on your choice as well. All these other settings depends on what you want. Maximum withdrawal as well. I'm just going to put some figures right there. Okay, click on update and next. All right, optional settings. You can choose the time zone of your choice. You can search for the time zone of your country, or maybe the city you live in. You can choose it from here. It all depends on your preference. The date format as well, the time format, the maximum decimal. Okay, you most especially we use 2 decimal places, but if you need more than that, you can increase or decrease that. Then for the crypto currency, you can choose either 6. The default decimal places is 6, but usually we have 8 or sometimes 4, so you can choose that as preferred by you. The decimal places, fine. Click on update and continue. Okay guys, successful application setup completed. Now click on payment method, or you can click on withdraw method, or you can just click on go to dashboard. Now I would love to click on go to dashboard. From there we can go to payment settings. So click on go to dashboard. Now we have successfully installed the script and we have set it up, although the setup is remaining the payment plans and all that. So but for the primary setup we are done guys. So for you to move on, just click on the scroll to the bottom of the page, or the bottom of the menu, and click on application settings. If you made mistakes with the previous steps, just go back and fix them out. But for the payment options, I'm going to click on the payment options right here for us to set the payment options of our website. So you can see the deposit and withdrawal. You can see deposit settings right here, limit deposit request. You can see, just set up all these stuffs as preferred by you. There is no default settings that is the best, so just set up all these stuffs as preferred by you. So you're going to check all other features. You can see it's very robust. Okay, alright guys, that's all I have for you in this video. If you learned something from this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, also leave it in the comment section below. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't hesitate to click the subscribe button and also turn on the notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.